Hello guys, welcome to SMC Tutorials. Today we'll be discussing on how to trade your Athene via P2P. If you're mining Athene and you're thinking of probably selling and you don't know how to go about it, here is a quick tutorial on how to go about it. Now open your Athene app. Okay, click on the first option, which is P2P. Click on it. Open with Chrome or any browser you are familiar with. Okay, you register with your email, password, select your country, Nigeria, then register. Okay, I think it's just to log in because I've registered before. Login. Okay, they will send the verification code to my email. Let's check the email. Okay, I think it's this one. Submit. Okay, I think I've successfully created an account. Okay guys, if you want to sell on this site, just switch to the sell parts. If it's a thing you want to sell, just leave it like this. But if it's gem, you can change it to gem. But the pie option is not yet available, it's coming soon. So let's click on Athene. Okay guys, make sure the email you are using to register for the P2P is the same on your Athene app. If not, you will not be able to sell. So click on sell. Okay, my balance is 0 Athene. So we need to deposit Athene from the app to the P2P. Let's open our Athene app. Click on the wallet icon at the bottom, then click on send. Deposit Athene to P2P. Click on it. Choose asset type Athene. Balance is 102. Let's use maximum. Okay, send OTP. To send you OTP to your registered email, and make sure it's the same on your Athene P2P. Okay, maximum 100. Then click on send. Fee, send. Okay, that's gone. Sent successfully. Let's check the P2P sites. Okay, let's check if it has come. Okay, it's showing on the P2P site now. Pay. Let's click on, let's just try 95 because we'll take their charges. 95. Pay all, just put all. You receive 4.2 USD. It's below the order limit. Let's try another one. I think all the order limit is 5, and I don't have up to 5. It's not up to 5 USD. Okay, this one, I think we can sell with this one. It's 4.2. Let's sell to this one. Okay, you can sell. Click on. Okay, when you want to sell, check the price limits, like the order limit of the various persons. You can see them under limit 5 to 15.071 USD. So mine was not up to 5, that's why it refused to sell. So see this one limit is 4.2. So you click on it, because my Athene is not up to it's not up to $5, it's around 4 point something dollar. So you click on sell. You have successfully sold 100 Athene. Please check. I hope this video has been helpful, guys. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Turn on post notification bell for more educative content. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching, guys.